welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th to the 1st of April 2022 on Monday. Gabsile's controversial article in Hope magazine has set tongues wagging in KwaMashu. Mbatha's excitement for his church launch is dampened by the threat of a lawsuit from a prominent gospel star on Tuesday. Viga orders Ngobese to tie up loose ends. Nonka's products sell like hot cakes, and Mbatha convinces Hlengwe Mhlaba he's not using her fame for his benefit on Wednesday. Mondli enters just in time to save Lily's life. Nosipho is back and she's want Nonka to hire her. Gabsile open old wounds for Hlelo when she surprises Hlelo with a visit from Smangaliso on Thursday. Mondli assures Nkunzi that he's not worried about Vika. Gabsile declines Ukhozi FM invite. Hlengwe Mhlaba performs in Mbatha's church on Friday. Vika strikes again. Gabsile's golden moment takes a disastrous turn while Mbatha's special midweek service surprises everyone. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.